Hello. So for today's video, we are going to do another tutorial for model. For this time, we are going to create an embedded answer using the close option. Okay, so let's begin. I will again select one of my unit. Okay. Then I'll create now, add an activity. Okay. Quiz. Okay, so let's say our name of the quiz is embedded answer close. Okay, example 2. Okay, so for the description, guys, I'm going to use these following equations. Okay, because for the embedded questions or embedded answers, we are going to have 3 options, so which are the drop-down list, multiple choice drop-down list, second the numerical, and the short answer. So for the numerical, for the drop-down list, we are going to use these equations. So of course, we have our curly open bracket or curly open brace. Mark means to say this is the point. Point system. For example, 1 point, 2 points, 3 points. But whatever you want to that question. Then you have your colon. MC, multiple choice. But multiple choice in terms of drop-down list. Then another colon. Then choice. So for example, this is your choice number 1. Then tell the choice number 2. Tell the choice number 3. Tell the choice number 4. Until the choice number 5. And now, for example, your answer, the correct answer will be the choice number 4. So just add equal sign after the tilde. So in this case, our correct answer will be the choice number 4. Then don't forget the close curly brace. And for the numerical, so again, open curly brace plus the point or the mark you want to give it for that questions. Then you have the colon, NM, numerical method, colon, and the correct answer signified by the equal sign, and your answer, then colon, then tolerance, then your close curly brace. Then the last method will be the short answer. So again, you have open curly brace, the mark, colon, SA or the short answer, colon, equal sign, and your correct answer, then close it again by the curly brace. So let's proceed. So I will be saving this one now. So continue. Then I'll now add questions. So again, I'll just make this one 100%. Then the total marks will be automatic. Add. So let's have now these choices. So again, we'll be using the embedded answers close. So close sample 2. So all of the questions that you are going to create will be on this folder, or in this question bank. Question number 2 or the question name, let's say just simple as sample 2. Question number 1, we're going to use this one as our multiple choice drop-down list method. So let's say question number 1. So for question number 1, so simple question, what is the name of your school? So this is the questions. Then we can just add now the equation. So open curly brace. Okay, so 1 point as our mark, colon, then MC, then colon, then our choices. So for example, our first choices is body. Our second choice will be itcan. Okay, and since for example we want the correct answer to be itcan, we'll just add equal sign to the correct answer. Okay, so close curly brace. That is our first question. And for the second questions, we are going to use the numerical. Okay, so question number 2. Okay, so let's say, what is 1 plus 1? Okay, so again, we'll be using the open curly brace, 1 point, colon, NM. Okay, then let's say obviously 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, but before the 2, since this is our correct answer, so don't forget the equal sign, 2, then colon, since 1 plus 1 is exactly 2, and no need to do some tolerance. Okay, so let's just make this one as 0. So meaning to say the answers will be exact 0. So if you want the answers to be like 1 up to 3, then you can put 1 here. Okay, but note this is tolerance, so it is minimum, okay, at 1, maximum at 3. Okay, so it is plus and minus 1. So our correct answer is exactly 2. So we'll just put it back to 0. Then don't forget the close curly brace. Okay, then the last method will be the short answer. Okay, so question number 3. So for example, what is your name? Okay, so again, open curly brace, 1 point, okay, SA, okay, equal, for the correct answer, let's say Kevin. Okay, then close. Okay, so by the way guys, for the short answer method, this is a case sensitive. Okay, spelling case sensitive. Okay, so make sure that you have the correct answer. So Kevin. Okay, so we have already the 3 methods in embedded answer. Okay, so let's check. So save answers. Okay, so 3 points. Okay, 3 marks. Okay, we have the 3 questions, 1 point each, because we assign 1 point, 1 point, 1 point to each question. Okay, so again, let's just make this one into 100%. Okay, let's check now. Quiz. Okay, so this is our equations. Okay, for the drop down list. Okay, for the numerical and for the short answer. Then preview quiz. So this will be now the output, okay, of our sample. So what is the name of your school? So drop down list. Okay, so itcan. What is 1 plus 1? So 2. What is your name? Okay, so let's say small letter K. Okay, okay, so let's say the result. Finish attempt. Okay, submit and finish. Okay, so this will be the result. Okay, so Kevin's correct in this way. Okay, so itcan 2. Okay, so this is our output. Okay, so thank you. Until the next video, thank you.